Alright guys, I am back with you for another solution video. Now for years I dealt with a certain audio issue on and off throughout all of my computers, and it used to drive me insane. Some of you may be dealing with it too, whether you're a streamer, an audio technician, whatever the case may be. If you are an audio technician, you may be aware of this problem already. It is called ground loop noise, and in this video I am going to show you what it sounds like, this. And we're going to talk about how to fix it right after this intro. Now guys, that buzzing noise may be something you have or have not heard. You may actually have a hissing sound, you may have a popping sound, but at the end of the day, what it ends up coming from is where your machine is plugged into. It can be coming from the ground loop out of the wall, it can be coming from your devices being plugged into different ground outlets, it could be coming from other devices, but these radio frequencies nonetheless will come into your speakers and they sound absolutely atrocious. There is actually a video that I had where it was the best hashtag video where you could actually hear that buzzing in the background, and it was driving me insane. After a few weeks of research, I finally found out that there was a way to fix it. Now the device that I'm talking about, guys, is the Beezyne ground loop noise isolator, okay? And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the end of the 3.5mm jack cable that you have, and you're going to want to plug it in this end first, okay? After you plug it in that end, you would take the other end of the device and plug it in where you would normally just plug your cable, i.e. the line-in port of your motherboard, or the green port of your motherboard for the regular stereo audio. You can even use these in the car, you can use them in sound mixers, you can use them in whatever you want. I had an extremely loud buzzing mixed with hissing sound in my audio DAC for the longest time, my sound amplifier, and the minute I plugged this in, guys, it all went away. All I heard were the sounds that I wanted, and it was absolutely amazing. Then that's literally it, guys. There's nothing else to do afterwards. You go ahead and follow the design here. As I told you guys earlier, you would go ahead and take whatever device you want to listen to. In this case, they're using a Bluetooth receiver, and they plug it in to the one end of the design, and then you take the apparatus itself and you plug it in to the sound device of your choosing, whether it be speakers or a sound DAC or a sound mixer. Whatever the case may be, I can personally vouch for this product, guys. Do not let the description throw you off. It does say that it is for the car audio home stereo system, but it does work for computer equipment. It works for the native sound in the motherboard. It works in my sound mixer. It works in my sound amplifier. It works in my sound DAC amplifier. And I've not heard so much as a buzzing or a hissing in weeks, guys. And it is actually so affordable and so worth it. I actually purchased 4 of them for my gaming PC, streaming PC, recording PC, and sound DAC, and every single one of them has been working without fail. Guys, thank you so much. I hope that this helped at least one person out there. If you guys liked it, please smash that like button, hit that sub button, click that bell for event notifications, guys. It always helps me. And as always, guys, be safe, be good, be blessed, and I will see you guys when I see you. Peace.